With respect to cellular manufacturing, three goals are there. First one is what? To move as quick as possible, make a wide variety of similar product, making as little waste as possible. It's also called one piece flow manufacturing system. Difficulty in creating flow in cellular manufacturing. Difficulties in creating flow in cellular manufacturing. First one, exceptional elements. Exceptional elements. Second one, bottleneck machines and parts. Bottleneck machines and parts. Third one, machine locations and relocation. Machine location and relocation. Then operation and completion time. Operation and completion time. Benefits of cellular manufacturing. A cell reduces flow time, flow distance, floor space, inventory, handling time, scheduling time, transportation cost, scrap and rework. Scrap and rework. Understand?